Today I want to unbox this SJCAM 4K camera. It's a point of view camera. It's very small. It's in the segment of Insta360 GO S camera, I think. However, this camera comes with lots of accessories in the package for the price of less than $130. And I think it's incredible for a 4K point of view camera. As small as the Insta360 GO S, and it comes with all the features right out of the box. You don't need to buy anything else, maybe a little camera stick or a tripod or something like that. Let's go ahead and unbox this, see what's the build quality, quality of the accessories, and usability altogether. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my knife, cut this open. So quick. Overall, it's a fairly nice camera. You are greeted by the camera itself. This is the model SJCAM C110 Plus. And this camera is what is called magnetic combo. It's basically a 4K point of view action camera with stabilization. It has 6 axes of stabilization, 170 degree of field of view, and it's basically a mini body cam. It just sits right here. It has a magnetic lanyard. So let's go ahead and see what else is in this box. Here's a waterproof case. All right, here we go. Here's the case. Case appears to be, has a little gasket on it, watertight, and the camera fits right in, as you see. Here's the camera. There's an attachment point underneath for you to attach. And here's the seal on it. Very cool. Buttons right on it. You can, start recording and stop recording and things like that. Very nice case. Go ahead and get the camera out of here. And it's a little tight because I did not remove the plastics around it. Planning on doing it fairly soon. Let's get this out. Okay. And underneath, we find our lanyard. Fairly cool. Huh. Cool. Magnetic. Automatically finds its place. And it sits just like this. I like this, you guys. Very cool. It's going to bring a whole lot of perspective to my outdoor shots. And a user manual. Appears to be very well made. It has an Android and iOS capable of app support. Pretty much app controls this camera, which is really cool. Here's a 64 gigabyte SanDisk micro SD card, which is a great touch, in my opinion, putting a quality micro SD card in there. And here's more information, a quick start guide. And the app called SJCAM Zone, there's like a little card in there, send us a message through Amazon and all the good stuff. And what I'll do is I'll have a link for this camera, an Amazon link for you guys to go ahead and check it out. If you order through that link, you'll be supporting my channel. So thank you. And I think there's a $10 coupon in there too. All right, let's dive into the accessories. What comes out of this little white box? So we get this little, okay, it's a lanyard. This is not magnetic, it's just your typical loop type. And here's a action cam mounts. You can mount it on a tripod with a 1/4-inch screw. Or in a little bit of a invisible stick type of thing. Very cool. Here's some helmet cam type of thing. You can mount it on your bike helmet and things like that. It has 3M adhesive underneath. And you simply connect this and the camera gets in there. Let's see. Okay, here's the connection port right here with the little twisty thingy in there. And here's a charging cable, USB-A, Type-C. These days we have this all over the place. Here's another case to keep it mounted on top of the invisible stick. And here's another housing. This is like a clip style housing from what I can see from the plastic bag. Yeah, that's like a little clip. You basically set the camera right in here in this housing and then clips right on, and then you can clip it on your backpack. If you don't want to use the magnetic lanyard, this thing, just use it with this. I'll probably use it with the magnetic lanyard under my shirt. It'll look a lot better. Wow, very impressive. All right, and then besides that, you get some additional 3M adhesive to mount, you know, if you decide to move it from one helmet to another. And they send you a couple of stickers, cool, and a cleaning cloth. Very nice. Let's go ahead and try this with my one of my invisible sticks. Simply goes right in. And this time I'm gonna use this little housing. So you simply open this plastic housing, make sure buttons are on the side where the opening is, and here it is. And then you grab this right here. There you go, you line it up, and then you grab this little screw. I have so many of these screws, butterfly style ones and things like that, so I'll probably use one of those, but this is a nice screw. And here it is, right there on the invisible stick. Looks really cool. You can adjust it any way you want. Again, here's C110 Plus branding on it. But mainly, you know, it's a point of view camera. You can mount it on your car dash, things like that. You can even use these for it if you don't have a proper mounting option for the vehicles. But I'll probably use this in this fashion. Go ahead and show you real quick. Adjust this and this. Put it over my head, maybe under my shirt, and then boom. Here it is, you guys. Works great. So you simply pair this with your phone. Again, it's a 4K point of view camera with the, you know, action camera with the stabilization of a 6-axis gyro on it. And you know, it's waterproof, wearable, fairly portable. You can record up to 180 minutes in 1080p, 120 minutes in 2K, and 100 minutes in 4K continuous recording. So I think it's great for the size, you know, the 100 minutes of 4K. It's an excellent recording capability. And the 4K video is expensive, up to 170 degrees ultra wide angle. You can capture beautiful videos with this, you know, as you're riding your bike down the trail, or driving down the road, or walking by the park or a waterway or something. You know, I think it's a great way of recording without, you know, grabbing a lot of attention from other people keep staring at you while that guy's camera is on. You can just simply put it on your shirt and just walk around. And this camera supports 4K 30 frames per second, 2K 60 or 40 frames per second, and 1080p 120, 60 or 30 frames per second, and 720 same way as well, 120, 60, 30 frames per second. I think it's good enough. I wish it was supporting 4K and 24 frames per second, but hey, I can live with this. It's only 82 grams. I mean, it's super light. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. If you have any questions about this camera, go ahead and feel free to drop me a question in the comments. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the video description for this camera. If you're interested in, you're more than welcome to go ahead and check it out. And if you order one, you'll be supporting my channel. I think these days there's like a $10 coupon there too. So you're more than welcome to use that. And also, if you like this content, please like and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next Teo Steak video.